Hello everyone. This is the video in which we are going to talk about the experimental questions from the chapter photosynthesis, all the experiments. So this will be the last for plant physiology. I have made for absorption by roots, transpiration, and now photosynthesis. That means whole plant physiology is covered. All the experimental questions. इसमें से one or two. One for sure, 110% is going to be there in your paper. So we'll quickly talk about the experiments. Again, I'll just make an appeal again. Please share the channel as much as you can because the subscribers they have just come to a halt. 50,000 का target मेरा last year था जो नहीं पूरा हुआ, but still we'll work on it and please उसको जल्दी जल्दी 50,000 तक पहुंचाइए. Next is experiment first, second, third and fourth. These are 4 experiments which are there in the chapter photosynthesis. First one, to prove that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis, and oxygen is produced in the process of photosynthesis. Before doing all these experiments, there are 2 common steps for all the 4 experiments, that is destarching and iodine test. इसके लिए I have made videos separately for the process of destarching and for iodine test both. Please watch the videos. The link will be given in the description. आप उसको दोबारा से click करके you can watch because these topics are also very important. Destarching and iodine test both. We'll start with the first experiment. Chlorophyll is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. अगर आपको पेपर में कुछ ऐसा सा डायग्राम दिखता है where you see these patches kind of things, so you read the whole thing, you automatically should know that we are talking about the experiment where chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis, because these type of leaves where there are green and non-green patches are known as variegated leaves. And a very common question which is asked from here is, give an example of a plant where variegated leaves are found. Example is croton. ठीक है? What do? We destarch the plant, take a leaf and then perform iodine test over it. What do we observe? That the parts which were green, they have turned blue. So I'll just mark it here. ये green parts हैं. And the ones which are outside the green, they are non-green. So the green colored patches, they have turned blue-black. And the non-green part has not changed any color, which shows that the chlorophyll which was there in the green part has performed photosynthesis and starch is found there. इसीलिए iodine के साथ when it comes in contact, it turns blue-black. So the questions which are asked from this very important questions which are asked, destarching can be asked, iodine test can be asked, process, plus variegated leaves, where are they found, what are variegated leaves, why do we use variegated leaves in the experiment, because it has green as well as non-green parts, so we can clearly see that the green parts they are performing photosynthesis. Next is experiment number 2. Sunlight is important for photosynthesis. Now if you get an experiment or a diagram where this kind of a picture is there, maybe a star is here, I'll just make a circle. Okay, so this kind of a picture is there. So this shows that the experiment is to prove that sunlight is important for the process of photosynthesis. What do? Destarch the plant, then take that plant, किसी 2-3 leaves के ऊपर we'll place a strip with a cutting. This is the cut part of leaf. Sorry, cut part of paper. And this is the paper. Now what happens? Sunlight falls over it and the sunlight is unable to reach the part which is covered with paper. And it just reaches the part which is not exposed, which is exposed to sunlight. So what do we do now? We perform an iodine test. So what is observed? That the part which was under the paper, that has not changed the color, but the part which was exposed has turned blue-black. This part has turned blue-black, which shows that the part which is exposed to sunlight, so that sunlight is very important for the process of photosynthesis to take place. So this is the experiment for that. Next is CO2 is important for the process of photosynthesis. What do we do here? There is a plant, what do we do? With any of the leaves, we just place a flask here, attach a flask here. It will go in the other box, कोई बात नहीं. Yeah, and यहाँ पे we place KOH crystal, potassium hydroxide. ठीक है, and these KOH crystals they have tendency to absorb CO2. मतलब जितना भी CO2 will be there in the flask, that will be absorbed by these crystals. Now the half of the leaf is inside the flask and half is outside. So when we perform iodine test over it, so the part which was inside the flask will not change color and the rest of the leaf will change color. This part will not change color because it was inside the flask. There was no CO2 to perform photosynthesis, hence it could not change the color. So this is an experiment जहाँ पे you could be asked what is the purpose of crystals, what is the property of the crystals, what do we conclude from the experiment, plus destarching and iodine test, which is compulsory for all the 4 experiments. Last experiment is to prove that oxygen is liberated out during the process of photosynthesis. There is a beaker and here now the part which is different here from the other experiments is that here we are going to take an aquatic plant. Now we take an aquatic plant and sometimes they ask you example for aquatic plant also, that is hydrilla. You can write hydrilla, most common one, most easy. So hydrilla aquatic plant is taken here. We will see there is water inside the funnel also, and we will see in the water there will be bubbles here. I'll make it with the other color. So there will be bubbles seen in the water. And why do we see these bubbles? आपने बहुत बार देखा होगा कोई डूब रहा होता है किसी मूवी में. So there are bubbles which are coming out. That's that shows that there is a gas. So this is a gas which is coming out. The bubbles they show that gas is being evolved. Now what do we do? ये जो टेस्ट ट्यूब इसके ऊपर डाला है, जैसे ही कुछ टाइम पे आफ्टर सम टाइम विल टेक आउट दिस टेस्ट ट्यूब, पुट अ थंब ओवर द टेस्ट ट्यूब, टेक इट आउट और फिर वी विल ब्रिंग इट नियर अ ग्लोइंग स्प्लिंटर. थोड़ा मैच स्टिक के पास अगर इस टेस्ट ट्यूब को लेके आएंगे, इट विल बर्न, इट विल पॉप साउंड विच शोज दैट ऑक्सीजन इज देयर इन द test tube. So this experiment proves that oxygen is released during the process of photosynthesis because this aquatic plant is undergoing the process of photosynthesis. जब photosynthesis करेगा, oxygen liberate होगी, gas liberate हो रही है. There are bubbles. We know that it is a gas, but which gas? So we'll take out this test tube, bring a matchstick near it or a glowing splinter near it, and then it will burn into flames with sound. So that shows that oxygen was there in the test tube because oxygen supports burning. So these are the various experiments which we have in the chapter photosynthesis. We'll take up one more doubt, that is the structure of chromosomes, in our next video. That was there in the comments. So here we have done all the experiments. Your doubt is being cleared, I think. Next video, structure of chromosomes. Please do watch, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.